question 17. When a question asks what the passage states, then it is a detail question. Detail questions ask you to go finding some information in the passage that is directly stated. If it's not directly stated, it's not the answer to a detail question. Now this detail question specifically asks us for information about what Marcuse believes. One very obvious source of wrong answers is going to be something that the author believes but not Marcuse. And additionally, this is asking what Marcuse believes that advertisers think. So another potential wrong answer type could be, but not things that Marcuse thinks that advertisers think. Say that 5 times fast. The right answer is probably going to be found in the second paragraph. That's where the details about Marcuse's theory are located, but we will have to verify every answer against the text of the passage. So you're going to be flipping back and forth between passage and question on a detail question like this. So let's look at the answers. Answer choice A, these advertisers base many of their strategies on psychological research findings. Be careful about words that sound like other words. We know that the author thinks that Marcuse bases his theories on psychological principles, or at least on psychological needs, but there's nothing here to indicate that anyone is doing psychological research or that the advertisers are doing it. So A is not right. Answer choice B, Marcuse thinks that advertisers appeal to people's real needs in order to create false needs. This is our answer. If we look back to that second paragraph, we can see that it says Marcuse supposed that we all have certain real needs, and then advertising appropriates these needs, that is, the real needs. So they do appeal to people's real needs. Appropriating here just means taking or taking over. And then it says later that it creates a false need out of those needs. So answer choice B is exactly what the passage says that Marcuse thinks about advertisers. Our 3 remaining answers are all wrong. Answer choice C is wrong because although the passage does mention regulations prohibiting misinformation, that's something the author says, not something the author says that Marcuse says. Right idea, wrong person. Answer choice D is wrong because actually at no point does the passage bring up independent decision making. There are things that sound kind of similar, but nothing exactly like that to be found anywhere. And then answer choice E, once again, it's the right idea, the wrong person. We want to know what Marcuse thinks that advertisers think. The author is the one who believes that the needs that advertisements create are not necessarily less real than other needs. This is something that's in the passage, but it's not attributed to Marcuse. So the answer was answer choice B.